Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 7 of our What's New in .NET 7 and C# 11 series. In this video, we will learn how to use BenchmarkDotNET and compare a very basic custom code performance in .NET 7 and .NET 6. If you want to learn .NET Core from scratch, you can watch our dedicated playlist created for that purpose. I will share the link in the description. Let's go to Visual Studio, and I have already created a .NET console application. Now because we have to compare the performance of .NET 7 and .NET 8, let's set our project file to use both these frameworks. Double click on the project to open the project file. Here we have target framework set to 7.0. Let's change target framework to target frameworks and add .NET 6.0 : .NET 7.0. Next, we need to use BenchmarkDotNET. To use BenchmarkDotNET, we need to add a package. Go to NuGet Package Manager. So Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. Click on Browse. Type BenchmarkDotNET. Select and install the latest version. It will prompt you to agree. Click on agree and it will install the package to your solution. Successfully installed to our solution. Let's create another class where we will write our code to compare. Right click, select add class. Let's name it custom code benchmark. And click on add. Change the access modifier to public. I have already created two methods. Let me just copy and paste to save time. As you can see, we are concatenating a string, first with string builder in the first method, and in the second method we are using list of strings and looping it 1 lakh times. Now the first step is to decorate these methods with the benchmark attribute. Next, above the class, use another attribute called SimpleJob. So type SimpleJob, runtime moniker, .NET7. This means we want to run our job against .NET 7. Just copy and paste and change .NET 7.0 to .NET 6.0. Next, set memory diagnoser to false. We don't want to get stats for memory diagnoser. Next, let's go to the program.cs class. Type benchmarkrunner.run. Then provide our class name custom code benchmark. Now, if we have to run our application, it will provide us with stats for these two methods, again .NET Framework 7 and 6. And the final step is to select release mode instead of debug and then run this application. It will take a significant amount of time. And the processing is completed. It took almost 5 minutes to complete. Now, first look at the mean for method using string build. Here, .NET 7 is slightly better than .NET 6. .NET 6 median is 11.7, whereas .NET 7 took 11.46. But if you look at the performance of generic list method, here .NET 7 took 33.64 seconds, whereas .NET 6 took just 27.90 seconds. I don't know the exact reason, but I found this benchmark interesting. So I decided to share it with you. So our take from this sample is not just blindly upgrade your project from .NET 6 to .NET 7. Although there are many other aspects where .NET 7 performs better than .NET 6. So that's it from this video. I hope you liked our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.